This is what I have. It's what I started with. Lunch Key Mini. And I'll still be using this, like if I'm traveling or something, I'm still gonna use this. Boom. A literal unboxing. It's not like a pre-scripted unboxing. Alright, so how do you open this thing up? Alright, whoa. That's the first thing. Check out the size difference. Like, look at this. I could fit 1, 2, like 2.5 minis. So I could literally fit 2.5 minis on this thing. The keys feel much more dynamic, for lack of a better word.